The Indian Army has finished 150-meter pontoon bridge across the Tavi River to connect about 45 villages which are on the other side of the Tavi Island. And this area, remember, then is crucial because it's the border area that had been cut off for the past 6 days. Shamsher is getting us more from that.
Firstly, I will come on to the significance of the bridge. As you are aware that during the recent floods, 2 of the 5 bridges which are there in Jammu on Tavi River got damaged. Number 4 bridge, the damage to that did not affect to that extent because there were alternate routes which were available, which were used post its damage. However, this particular bridge is the only bridge which connects to what you see the area in the front, what we call as Tavi Island. There was no other connectivity, no alternate route. Hence, as an immediate response, before the bridge came, we started our operations by operating the boats and giving relief. Simultaneously, Air Force with its helicopter services was also providing the much needed relief. But there was definitely a requirement of coming up with a permanent bridge. There were 2 options available. One was to try and restore the bridge which got damaged. However, when we analyzed it, that was not possible. Hence, we decided to go for laying a separate alternate bridge around 100 meters downstream of the existing bridge. But the biggest challenge out there was the depth of the water which was varying. It was around 10 to 12 feet on the home bank side and was going as low as around 2 feet as we started progressing on the far bank side. Hence, there could not have been a one type of bridge which would have been launched. So as you can see, the bridge which is around 150 meters long has got 2 types of components which are there. 70 meters of floating and rest 80 meters is almost resting on the river bed, which is more challenging as compared to constructing a single type of bridge. So that was a Herculean challenge under which the team under Colonel Pradhan of 15 Engineer Regiment responded to that challenge, rose to the occasion, and within 16 hours did something which was appeared to be impossible to achieve when they started, but they have achieved it. And the whole, I'll say, the effort of the boys needs to be recognized, who have responded and who have done this wonderful job.
Also about the significance of connecting this area, the Tavi Island, with the mainland.
Of course, as I said, there are about 45 villages in that island, around 40,000 of population. There is an army unit, there are BSF units deployed. So there was a basic of around 40,000 people getting stuck inside without any connectivity. You can understand the significance of this bridge.
And you leave this bridge here and you leave a maintenance party here?
We will be maintaining this bridge, and of course I should add here that civil administration has responded to the situation. We have worked with each other with complete synergy. There was absolutely all the help which was extended to us by civil administration, and we will maintain this bridge till the time the civil administration comes up with an alternate access available. Thank you. देखिए, हमने यहाँ पर पुल को कल सुबह 5 बजे बनाना शुरू किया था और इस पुल का सामान पठानकोट हमने परसों मंगाया था। इस पुल को लगाने के पहले यहाँ पर साइट की तैयारी की गई, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं। उसके बाद 15 इंजीनियर रेजिमेंट ने, जो कर्नल प्रधान जिनके सीईओ हैं, इस टास्क फोर्स ने कल सुबह 5 बजे शुरू किया और रात में 9 बजे इस पुल को पूरा किया था।
कितने लोग इससे जो है बेनिफिशियरी होंगे, कितने लोग जो अफेक्टेड थे वो उसमें जुड़ेंगे?
अगर आप देख सकते हैं, नदी के उस ओर जो इलाका है जिसे तवी आइलैंड कहा जाता है, उसमें तकरीबन 45 गांव हैं और वहां की रिहायशी आबादी तकरीबन 40,000 की है। इसके अलावा आर्मी की यूनिट्स और बीएसएफ की यूनिट्स भी अंदर डिप्लॉयड हैं, जो 6 तारीख से जब बाढ़ आई थी उसके बाद कट ऑफ हो गया था, लेकिन वायुसेना अपने हेलीकॉप्टर की मदद से इन्हें राहत सामग्री पहुंचा रही थी। पर जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि तवी रिवर पर जम्मू में 5 पुल हैं, जिनमें से 2 क्षतिग्रस्त हुए। पुल नंबर 4 का क्षतिग्रस्त होना उतना उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ा, क्योंकि दूसरे पुल जो थे उसके पर्याय का काम कर रहे थे। मगर यह पुल जो था, इसके टूटने से तवी आइलैंड को दूसरा और कोई रास्ता जाने का नहीं था। इसलिए इस पुल को बनाना और जल्द बनाना ये बहुत आवश्यक था। और इस पुल को बनाकर, जैसे मैंने कहा, हमने तकरीबन 40,000 लोगों को, जो रिहायशी आबादी है और आर्मी की यूनिट्स और बीएसएफ यूनिट्स को एक राहत हमने पहुंचाई है। और इसीलिए आप देख सकते हैं कि इस पुल को हम राहत सेतु कह रहे हैं, जिसके बनने से न केवल राहत सामग्री उस तरफ जा रही है, बल्कि लोगों ने दिलों में राहत की सांस भी आई है।